Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly, where I show you how to make beautiful party decorations without spending a lot of money. So if you're new to this channel, let's not forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I will be posting every week, so hit that bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Guys, this came out super cute. I recommend you guys do this theme, and it's very inexpensive. My clients loved it, and I hope you guys love it as well. Easy and simple to do. With that said, let's get started into this DIY. Rainbow made out of card box. I made it in my last video. I'll put the link down below so you could just click it and learn how to make it. So I went ahead and put some hot glue on my pool noodle, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the foam board. But if you want it to be better attached and not to leave a gap in between, just go ahead and take some strings like that and tie it to the pencil, and then put it through your pool noodle, and then just like that, and then tie at the bottom. You're gonna do that to each one of them, like two at a time together, just like that, and tie it together. So then once you do the whole thing, just go ahead, grab your hot glue, and then attach them to your board, just like that. Then after you attach all of them, I went ahead and just measured to see how long I needed to be my cloud. So it's like my cloud was like 13 by 15 inches. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mark it down like that so I can have an idea when I draw the cloud how big I would like them to be. I also showed this how to do this in my last video. I will put the link so you could go ahead and do it. And then I just went ahead and cut the extra pool noodle that was just extra so it could fit my clouds. I put some hot glue, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the top, just like that. Then I went ahead and grabbed my lights. You can find these at Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place them in between, just like that. For them to better attach, just put a little bit of hot glue on them, and then just put it through it, and they will stay in place, just like that. Then I went ahead and took the lights, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hot glue and attach it to the board at the sides of the board like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put my clouds. Then for the tablecloth, what I did was just measure my table that was 43 inches. So I divided by 9 inches each, and then I just measured the length of the table that was like 28 inches. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and mark it there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out, just like that. So for this part, you would just have to size your table, measure your table to see what size you will do them, and then you're just gonna go ahead and cut it the long way, just like that. Just gonna go ahead and keep cutting until you do the whole thing, and just don't cut all the way through it. And remember, this is folded in a lot of halves, so you have a lot of pieces just in case you want to do the whole table all around it. And then just go ahead and grab your double-sided tape. You can find these at Dollar Tree. And then I just put a white tablecloth underneath, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take the tape out from the top of the double-sided tape, just like that. Then go ahead and grab your tablecloth that you just cut, and then you're gonna go ahead and attach it to your table. And then you're gonna continue doing this until you do the whole table, and that's how I did the whole thing. Then for the next thing I did was just draw my tears, and I'm just gonna go ahead and draw it on a piece of paper. And I'm also gonna go ahead and draw the umbrella as well. Then just go ahead and continue drawing them until you're done drawing the whole thing. Once you finish, just go ahead and grab your scissor, and you're just gonna go ahead and cut it out. So after you're done cut it out, just gonna go ahead and trace it into whatever color you're doing. Like I'm doing green over here, and then just go ahead and cut it out, and then just do this step until you do the green, the red, and all of them. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and put it at the back, and then attach your string to the back, just like that. And this is what's gonna hold your tears and umbrella in place. Yeah, just gonna continue doing this until you do this whole thing, and until you're done with the whole thing. Then for the next DIY, what I got these back balloon stand. I will put the link down below where you could get them. So then I just went ahead and blow my balloon. For your balloon, make sure to draw the balloon the same size. So just put them together like that so you can have an idea of the same size. So you're gonna do all your balloon, and then you're gonna attach 2 and 2 together, just like that. And then just go ahead and grab it and just like that and twist it. And this is going to hold your balloon in place. Just twist it to the other side and they will be more attached to each other and you will have no gap in between. It's pretty simple to do, you guys. You just go ahead and you're gonna keep twisting it and you're gonna continue doing this until you do the whole thing, your white and blue. So I did 2 at the bottom and I'm gonna do 2 in the middle and then I'm gonna do 2 white on top as well, just like that. Then I went ahead and took this 360 balloon and I'm just gonna inflate them all the way to the end, just like that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and let loose a little bit of the air, just like that, so it won't be that tight. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it. Then once I tie, I'm gonna go ahead and bend it like that, piece by piece, until I do that little arch like a rainbow. So then go ahead and grab double-sided tape and put it in the back, not in the back, in the middle, just like that. And make sure to place enough of tape so it could hold perfectly on place. Just like that. Go ahead and take your double-sided tape out, just like that. And then go ahead and grab your other balloon and then attach it to the other balloons, just like that. And you're going to continue doing that until you do the whole thing. Then once you finish with other color that you're doing, you're going to go ahead and inflate little balloons like this, and then you're going to attach them together. You can attach them together or you could just do it separately. I decided to attach it because I think it's better. And then I'm just going to go ahead and tie it to my balloon as well, to the other balloons, like that. And then once you attach it, then just go ahead and grab your double-sided tape again and just place it in the bottom, and then just attach your balloon to the other balloons like that. And then you're going to continue doing this until you do the whole thing. And then after you do the balloons, all of them like that, you see at the bottom, just go ahead and attach another 360 balloon, and this is where you're going to attach it to your column, your balloon column on top.